Hello, this is Marvel and DC Villain Fan. I'm back with you with a how to put a this is a new thing to my channel. How to put a Region 2 DVD in. First of all, you open the case. If it has these kind of locks on the case, you look for the word open and you flick it open. You open it. You put the DVD into the DVD player or the computer DVD player. You choose a program. Put it on. You put it in. Wait for it to load up. You put it in. You look for the word Friday the 13th, Part 4. If you got 5K player, this program. Or if not, don't want to get your hopes up. If you don't have that, if you have Windows Player, Windows Player does not support that. You have to go back to, you have to download, you have to go on 5K player, download it, and put your Region 2 DVD on. Well, you can't hear me, put the menu. Come on. My audience wants to know, can this be played? Yeah, this is what the DVD menu will look like. Yes, for you ICT learners or viewers want to learn how to put a Region 2 DVD in, just use this this program called 5K Player. Download it from your internet onto your computer. It 100% works with Region 2 DVDs. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this show, me showing you how a Region 2 DVD can be put in to a computer or DVD player. Right, this is a computer, but it works on a DVD player as well. Most DVD players. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. And the DVD I just put in was Friday the Deluxe Edition, Friday the 13th, the final chapter. There we go. And it's widescreen. Yep. Please subscribe to my channel and please hit the bell next to the subscribe button to get notifications for more videos. Bye for now.